How to sign up or sign in ChatGPT in 2 minutes. First of all, type chat.openai.com in your browser and make sure that you only go to the specific website. Then after, click on sign up. And after clicking sign up, it will ask you to create an account through your Google, your Microsoft account, or even with your Apple account. So here, I'm just gonna go ahead with my email account. So type your email, and then after, you can just type a password you want. After typing a certain password you like, click on continue. Then after, you will land to an interface where they'll ask you to verify your email. Now this website has sent you an email to verify, so just open your email and verify through a link they have sent you. This is how you create a ChatGPT account in 2 minutes. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.